guys! Today I'm going to be showing you a Christmas stitch nail design. Go ahead and pick a base color. I used this baby pink color from Beetles. Now look at your reference picture and choose your color palette. I mixed some different blues together to get the colors I wanted. Once you pick out your colors, it's time to sketch out your design on the nail. Make sure to buff the nail first or the pencil won't work. If you make any mistakes while sketching, you can use some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad or brush to erase your design. The next step is color blocking. Your lines don't have to be perfect, but make sure to work in thin layers. You don't want uncured gel on your nails. Now we can start shading. I mixed some black with base coat to make my shading gel. After shading, you can start outlining your design. To get the best outlines, I apply a glossy top coat and buff the nail right after a finished color blocking. You can also just apply a matte top coat. The final step before you top coat is adding highlights and any final touches you want to your design. Thanks so much for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more nail tutorials.